Hey guys, how you doing? I know you just watched a video on how to measure to the closest inch, and I figured I'd want to go over it with you real quick just to make sure you completely understand it. So I chose three items, and on the bottom, you're going to see right over here is a ruler. All right, my ruler here is measured up into 6 inches. Many of your rulers, if you have one at home, goes up to 12. And let's just focus on measuring to the closest inch today. So I'm going to start with my pencil over here, and I'm going to move it down to my ruler, and I'm going to put it, let's see, right there. Now, right away, does that look good? No, of course not, right? From the video we just saw, we have to make sure that whenever we measure, we want to bring this all the way to the 0 mark. Now, some of your rulers might not have the 0 mark, in which case you go right to the end. So I'm going to bring that right to the 0. I'm going to drop it off. And I'm looking to measure to the closest inch. All right, that's my goal, the closest inch. So let's look for a minute. I draw a line right to the end of where my pencil is, right down here. So is this closer to 1, to 2, or 3? Well, hopefully we see that it is closest to 2. So this pencil, we would say, is closest to the second inch, to 2 inches right there. So when we're thinking about closest inch also, that might remind you of something that we did earlier in the year when we were talking about rounding. All right, so we're basically rounding this measurement to the closest inch, which is 2. All right, let's take another measurement. I'm going to take my marker over here and put it right there. All right, how are we doing? Does that look good? Okay, so of course not, right? We did go to the end of the ruler like we were supposed to, but the problem is we didn't start at 0. So I am going to move this back down and move my marker to right about where that 0 mark is. Perfect, that looks nice. All right, now I'm going to check my measurement real quick also, just to make sure I'm right. All right, I see I'm at the 0. Perfect, right where I should be. And this looks like this goes right to about the 4. Again, a little bit past it, but since we're going to the closest inch, okay, we're going to that 4. Again, I'm rounding it to the closest inch. Think of it that way. All right, let's do one more just to make sure we're all good. All right, we're going to take our Post-it. All right, we'll take our Post-it over here. And I'm going to move this. Perfect, right there. I like that spot. Okay, so you'll notice right here, this doesn't even go to that 1 inch. But the question is it what's to the closest inch? What inch is it closer to? Well, we know it's definitely not any of these over here. We know it's not 6, 5, or 4, and so forth. You can see that right away that it is closer to 1 inch. So we would say this measurement for this Post-it is 1 inch. All right, guys, I hope that really helped. You do have a worksheet for it. Remember, your goal is you have to make sure that you are measuring to 0, start at 0 on your rulers, and then count how many inches you're going. So this is a review. Hope you guys rock it, and I will see you soon.